In this video, I'll show you how to make the end portal in Minecraft. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this. The first important thing that I want to go and know is that you can't go and make an end portal in Minecraft survival mode. You can only make it in creative mode. Of course, you could go and switch from survival to creative to do it. So if you want to go to the end in Minecraft survival mode, then what you need to do is go and find the end portal, and we're going to have a full guide on that in a different video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make it, which can only be done in creative. Of course, as I said before, you can go and switch from survival to creative to go and do that. So the first thing you need to do is, once you're in creative, is to go and open up your inventory like that, and we need to go and get the pieces that we need. So we need to go and just type in end, just like so on the search, and then what we need is the end portal frame, just like that, and we also need the Eye of Ender. You don't need to use the Ender Pearl. The Eye of Ender is like a modified version of that. And you're probably watching this video because you don't know how to make it, or you tried to make a portal and it's not worked. So I'll be going with some common reasons for why the end portal isn't working at the end of this video. But if you follow these steps, then it should go and work. So what you want to do is actually go and place the portal around you. So the first thing you want to do is go and place one of the frames down like that. And what you need to do is make sure we keep these two individual squares going around, and then these bigger ones, they face out and in. It'll make sense if you keep watching. So then what you want to do is move along like that and place another, and then move along again and place another. As you can see, all these patterns are the same, they all match up, which is really important. Then you want to rotate 90 degrees and do the same thing. So go 1, 2, 3, keep yourself inside the end portal for now, and do the same again, 1, 2, 3. Then we'll do the final side, 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, this is how it looks. All of the patterns are the same. I'll go and zoom in. As you can see, we've got all those dots, they all match up, and the bigger dots, they face in and out just like that. Now, what we now need to do is go and switch to the Eye of Ender, just like so. And what we need to do is go and fill it in. So what you want to do is just tap it in like that. So 1, 2, 3, and then we'll rotate around again and do 1, 2, 3. And at the next side, 1, 2, 3. And then the final side, 1, 2, 3. And then as you can see, the portal then goes and appears. And then you can go to the end and go and defeat the Ender Dragon. Now, some common reasons for why the portal isn't working is, as I said before, people go and place the frames the wrong way. For example, if I go and place one portal like that, a lot of people will then go and match the wrong side up. Here we've got the two squares facing inwards, when in reality we need this bigger side facing inwards, as you can see here. So if you just went and followed the exact steps I showed you in this guide, it's basically going to go and work. So now let's go to the end, just like so, and here we are. I'll say loading terrain. I quickly mined out just like so. But anyway guys, if you found this video useful, then please go down below and consider leaving a like for more content just like this. And if you've got any problems, please put them down below in the comments, and I'll try my best to go and help you out. I look forward to catch you in the next one. Peace.